Hey Princess House, Lindabradley here. So tonight we're going to make a shrimp asparagus skillet. So this is a really easy meal to make. Shrimp is great because you can keep it in the freezer and it defrosts really fast. So this is one of those things that if you forgot to take something out for dinner and all of a sudden it's like, oh, what are we going to eat? It's a great one to do, okay? So first what you're going to do is you're actually going to marinate your shrimp, and you're going to marinate it with a tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to put in there a tablespoon of garlic, salt, pepper. I'll put all the instructions in here for you, some lemon zest, and you're just going to let it marinate a little bit. And then you're going to cut shallots or onions, whichever you prefer. You're going to have your skillet on medium, let it get warm, and then go ahead and cook your onions for about a minute. Once that's done, you can go ahead and add your shrimp. So this recipe is meant to be super easy. Once you put your shrimp in, you literally don't touch it. You're just going to make sure that all of them lay flat, and then you're going to let it cook. Now, once you let the shrimp cook on the one side for 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to just flip it over to the other side and let it cook for just 1 minute more. You don't want to cook shrimp too much because it'll make it tough. You'll tell that it's cooking because it all turns pink. So once you have it on that second side, then you're going to take your shrimp and you're going to put it off the burner. You're going to take it and put it in a bowl or a plate, whichever you prefer. And then you're going to add your pan right back to the heat, and you're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil and let it heat up again. And then we're going to add the asparagus. So with the asparagus, what you want to do is always trim it. You want to take off those tough ends of it. You can either cut them or snap them. And then I just cut it in like little 2-inch spears. So you're going to let the pan get nice and warm again. Remember, especially with non-stick, you never want to use high heat. Medium is enough. And then once it gets warm again, and you can see it because it's bubbling a little bit, you're going to add your asparagus, and you're going to cook these for about 4 minutes. You just want to saute them and let them get a little bit crisp. All right, and then we will be on to the next part. So after you let the asparagus cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, because you still want it tender but a little bit crisp, then you're going to add in some baby tomatoes. What do they call them? Grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. And I just cut them in half. And then you're going to saute them for about a minute. It looks so pretty. And then once that's done, you're just going to put the shrimp back in, again, about 1 minute, and it's done. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and you have a meal. So this is a great one to cook, and I hope that you will enjoy it. It's a great springtime meal. Shrimp, asparagus, tomatoes. So check out some of the other recipes that I have. Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. I try to do healthy recipes that you can enjoy. Ooh, this looks really good. And have a good time. Have fun while you make them.